This is Nokia T21, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to start, we will need to download the third-party app that is called Caffeine. That is the tool that we are going to use to execute our goal. So open the Play Store, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Obviously, you also gotta make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi. So that is exactly the app that we were looking for. So let's quickly download and install it. And after the app was installed, you can simply launch it. And in here, all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has been set to the infinite value. And as long as the Caffeine app stays active in the background, so make sure not to close it, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.